Hello. Hello everyone. Hi Tanishka. Hello Sushma ma'am. Today you are right on time. Sushma ma'am, can you drop in the WhatsApp group that I'm live? Sushma ma'am, please drop in our WhatsApp group that I am live now. Hello Shama ma'am. Hello Siddhi ma'am. Is the workstation clearly visible, guys? Please give me a thumbs up if my voice is clear and everything is audible. Okay. Should we wait for a couple of minutes because there are just four people live? Should we wait for 2-3 minutes? How are you, Siddhi ma'am, now? Thank you for so many hearts. For today's workshop, we'll be needing our acrylic colors. For today's workshop, we will be needing acrylic colors, brushes, and sheet. Hello, Anu ma'am. Sheet, canvas, or cloth. Whatever you want to do, you can do on that. No issues. Today I'll be yesterday I did on canvas sheet. This was the canvas sheet. We did yesterday. I removed the masking tape from here, from all the sides. I removed the masking tape. This was the sheet we did yesterday. I did on canvas sheet. Okay, thank you Sushma ma'am. Hello Supriya ma'am. Hello Shweta ma'am. Today this article I have done on cartage sheet. It is a cartage sheet which I am using. Let us start our article. This is the sheet on which I will work today. I have used this scissor. It has a design on this scissor, and from this scissor I have cut this sheet. From the four corners I have cut this sheet. ये मुझे थोड़ी सी बड़ी लग रही है तो I'm cutting it again. थोड़ा सा I'm trimming it off again. Hello Jyoti ma'am. Why is the attendance so low today? Only 6 members are watching live. First of all, we need to create the framework where we have to create the flowers. Like in this article, I have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. So where I need to create flowers, what I am going to do, I am creating circles. Sorry guys, एक phone आ गया था, so it interrupted. First, we need to design the framework. Many students were asking for the printout. It hardly needs a printout. तो मेरे को मतलब I didn't find to give the printout. I really want you to draw also. I want a flower here. So what I am doing, I am creating a circle. Is the circle visible? Now I need to draw a flower here. One flower here. One flower here. I have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 flowers. Now I have to decide where I have to keep the buds. So one I will keep here. I am just giving a small point. One I will keep here. One I will keep here. One I will keep here. And one I will keep here. Above all the flowers, I have created a small line to show where I will create the buds. Can anyone tell me if it is clear? Am I audible and clear, visible? Everything is audible and visible, and are you able to understand what I am telling? Please, someone give me a thumbs up. Okay. Now I have created 6 circles and above that 6 dots to create the buds. One here, here, all above the circles. Now, what we'll do is, I have taken an OHP sheet. Sorry. I have taken an OHP sheet. Thank you, Sushma ma'am. I have taken an OHP sheet. You can take your palette. Which color flower? Here I have used mauve. Now I am taking deep brill color, which is available in the kit. This is deep brill purple. This is deep brill purple color, color number 64. I'll start with this color, deep brill color. What I am going to take is, with deep brill color I am taking white color. I am taking some deep brill color in my palette, in the OHP sheet, sorry. And I am taking a rough brush. This is the same brush which I used yesterday for giving the dotting effect on the flower to create the pollens. I am dipping the brush like this. I am not dipping the brush like this. I hope you are able to see. I am not dipping my brush like this. I have to dip my brush like this. Is it clear, everyone? I have to dip my brush like this, not like this. I am dipping it like this. And if you can see, इसके सारे जो grains हैं वो फैले हुए हैं. अगर एक अच्छा ब्रश होगा तो वो ऐसा ब्रश होगा जिसके ब्रशेस बिल्कुल स्मूथ होंगे. But I am taking this kind of a brush जिसके ब्रशेस बिल्कुल फैले हुए हैं. What I am going to start with is, जो हमारी सर्कल की लाइन है, I am putting the from where the brushes have started, मैं वहां पे उसको एक रख रही हूँ और मैं ऐसे इसको फैला रही हूँ. I am twisting my brush. I hope it is clear. I have twisted my brush like this. I will do it again. मैंने हाफ ब्रशेस पे इसको रखा and I have twisted my brush. Again. मैंने again इसको ऐसे dip किया, rolling my brush. I am rolling my brush again, and then I am twisting it like this. And this is above the circle. जहां पर आपने ऊपर पॉइंट दिया है, आपको वहां पे इसको रोल करना है. You will see the crooked effect. Is it clear? You must be able to observe that जो सर्कल है, जो हमने ब्रश से करा है, वो एक crooked effect आ गया है. Straight line नहीं आई है. अगर हम if I will do this with a smooth brush, तो what will happen कि एक smooth line आएगी. I'm using this kind of a brush जो खराब हो गया है, इससे हमारी ये crooked line आ रही है. Now we'll move ahead. I'm taking some deep red color again. And I'm pouring some white color. My color already had deep red color, so I'm just wiping it and just washing this once. Now I have taken deep red color and white color both on my OHP sheet. I hope till now you have understood. Now what I am doing, again I am dipping my brush like this in the white color. I am again repeating, I don't have to put my brush like this. We have to do like this. ताकि उसके सारे ब्रेसेस में कलर लग जाए. जो एक्स्ट्रा कलर है रिमूव इट, एंड देन व्हेन यू टेक द डीप रिल कलर, तब आप उसको यहाँ पे ऐसे डिप करेंगे. तो यू आर हैविंग टू कलर्स इन योर ब्रश राइट नाउ. नीचे व्हाइट है एंड ऊपर यू आर हैविंग डीप रिल कलर. नाउ you will start with this end. We will start with this end. ये हमारा स्ट्रोक एक हो चुका है. अब we will start with this end, और अब हम इसको जो हमने सर्कल बनाया था उसके ऊपर वर्क करेंगे. And we have to twist our brush. जहाँ पे आपको लगे कि आपको डीप ब्रिल का थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट देना है, then you can dip your brush like this and give the effect.
धीरे गाने लो. हाँ? धीरे हो लो. ऐसे जो भी मन कर रहा है.
हमें यहाँ पे एक हल्का सा we have to create this V. जो डार्क पोर्शन नीचे होगा और लाइट पोर्शन ऊपर होगा. And then in the end we'll do like this. Is it clear? हमारा जो फ्लावर है उसका एक बेस क्रिएट हो गया है. Now again what I am doing, I am dipping it into white, rolling the brush into the white color, and then loading the brush with deep brill color. I am taking the second flower. I am starting from here. My brush is loaded with the color. Again I am twisting it to create the pattern. We have to create different kind of petals.
स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के लिए स्क्रीनशॉट चल रही है.
Then another pattern. We will twist our paper. Wherever we think that our color is less, we can load the color with the brush with the color. I'm again loading. I'm telling you how to load the brush again. White may we'll dip like this, and deep brill may we are putting like this. We are starting off with the third flower. Again the same pattern. उसके थोड़ा नीचे से शुरू करेंगे. We are twisting our brush. And roll the brush. Guys, I hope you are able to understand what I am doing. Is it clear? Please can someone give me a thumbs up? I hope you are able to understand what I am doing. Again, I am loading the color with white and taking some deep red color. I am on my fourth flower. इसके नीचे से we have started and we are just twisting our brushes. Guys, do you think we need a printout for this? These are very easy flowers. We can do it without the printout. Again, we are twisting and creating the impression with the crooked lines. Because if you will see flowers are never in a definite shape. We are able to see a dark portion here and then we are able to see the light portion. Basically, by twisting, we are creating the petals of the flower. Now for the leaf portion, for the petal, sorry, I am pouring some white again. Again, I am twisting the brush in white and taking some deep brill color here. Above the portion we have done dark. I am just twisting it like this. Wherever we need to create the bud, I am just giving one stroke. From this rough brush, we are able to create these flowers from this rough brush. That is why I always say that never throw things. Somewhere or the other they are quite useful. अब इसके pollens we'll do in the end. Now what we'll do with the we'll move forward with the leaves. For the leaves I am taking sap green. No, I am not taking sap green. I am taking light green. क्योंकि इसको sap green से बनाया है, इसको मैं light green से बनाऊंगी. We will take a tiny brush, tiny bristles brush. This is 0 number. First of all, I will give the joining lines like this. ये joining lines जो होती हैं वो always give with a light, with a small brush. जितने भी हमने फ्लावर्स बनाए हैं, we have to join them. Now for the leaves, what we'll do is, we'll dip the brush in the color, and what I'll do is, I'll just press the brush here. One time here, one time here. I've just pressed it. Wherever the buds are there, I've just pressed my brush like this, creating a small V. Any doubts still here? Is someone having any doubts still here? No doubts? अब जो हमने यहाँ पे दो impressions create किए हैं, we'll expand these impressions. I'm teaching you in the simplest way, ताकि सबको इस चीज को करना आए. We have created our bud. First bud. Again, where I have pressed, I am just expanding these lines. Again, I am pressing my brush and I am just expanding. Pressing my brush and I am just expanding. I'm just expanding. Now for the leaves, we have created the buds. I'm washing my brush. And for the leaves, what I'm doing is, I'm taking a flat brush. I'm dipping my brush into the color like this. I've created this type of leaf in my previous workshop also. I'm starting from here, I'm pressing my brush and expanding it. My brush is dry. Whenever you feel your brush is dry, please dip it in water. Little water. Wherever I need to create these leaves, I'm putting my brush into a slant position. I'm pressing it and I'm extending it like this. And in the end, I'm just removing the brush from the paper. Pressing it, extending it and twisting it. Wherever you want to create the leaf pattern, putting your brush like this, expanding it and twisting it. Again, expanding it and twisting it. Where we are twisting, we have to put our brush in the standing position to make this peak. Wherever we have to create this, we can create these leaves. Guys, are you finding the article beautiful or not? No comments today? Comments are missing today. Now we'll take a yellow color and orange color. Firstly, I am taking the yellow color. Now we need to differentiate the petals in the flower. Abhi agar if you are able to see, the flower is looking as a whole. We need to differentiate the patterns of the flower, petals of the flower, sorry. I am dipping it in yellow. And what I am doing is, I am creating a dot in the middle. I hope you are able to see. I am creating a dot in the middle and then I am giving the strokes. Small strokes to show the pollen. We have to create the pollens in the flower, and wherever you want to create the difference of the petal, you can give a big stroke here and a light stroke in between. I'll tell you again. We'll start from giving a dot. We want to distinguish between this petal and this petal. I'll give a big stroke. Then I'll give a big stroke over here. I want to differentiate these two petals. Then this petal and this petal. I'll give a big stroke here. Then a big stroke here. And then a big stroke here. And in between these big strokes, I have to create small strokes. Just put a little color in your brush. You don't need to put a lot of color. Yesterday also I told you that when we create flowers, we have to overlap. We have to give overlapping to the flowers. So flower does not, we cannot create flowers in just one go. Now again I am creating a dot. I am giving a big stroke to just differentiate between give the differentiation between the petal. Now I'll create small strokes. Small stroke in between the big strokes. Creating a circle, making 4 to 5 lines to differentiate between the petals, and then creating small lines. creating a circle in between, giving big stroke and creating 4 big strokes, and then I'll make small strokes with the same brush. I'm not loading the color again. Creating a small dot again. We don't want to give the pollen effect to the flowers, to the buds. I hope everyone is able to understand what I am doing. If there is any doubt, please you can ask me now and here only. I am wiping my brush and I am taking red color, which is available in our kitchen. I am taking some color on the OHP sheet. It is easy to work when your color is out on the OHP sheet. I am dipping my brush. From the yellow color, I have created big strokes, but from the red color, I will create small strokes, very small strokes. Just remove the excess color in your brush. You need to differentiate between the petals. बिल्कुल हल्का सा we have dipped. जो नीचे हमने येलो इफेक्ट दिया है वो रेड से छुपना नहीं चाहिए. We have to create the strokes in such a way that both the colors are visible. Yellow also, white also, then deep brill also, then yellow, and then the red color. If we want, we can give some dotting effect. Like we can create some dotting effect here. Just to beautify our article. Anywhere where you feel like you can give the dotting effect. It makes the picture, when you see the overall picture, it makes it more realistic. You have to create in such a way that it looks realistic. Our article is complete. This was the article in the flyer. And this was the article which we have done today. How are you finding it, guys? Can someone comment, please? How are you finding the article? I don't know, today I'm not able to see the comments or what. Yes, Mansi ma'am. Thank you, Sunita ma'am. Thank you, Asha. Thank you, Siddhi ma'am. Thank you, Sushma ma'am. Yes, Mansi ma'am, we can give any kind of background. For the background only, I'll teach you the other technique for the background. How to create the background. क्योंकि इसमें अगर मैं अभी बैकग्राउंड बनाती तो वो वर्क नहीं करता. बैकग्राउंड को सूखने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. Now I'll tell you how to create the background. I am taking a small sheet. This is water. I am dipping my brush into water and just doing like this, not completely wiping it. Dipping into water. Supriya ma'am, abhi I'll create another leaf. Okay. For leaf, what I did is I dipped the brush into the color. See carefully. I put my brush in the bending position. I am pressing my brush and I am releasing the load like this, so that I get this peak. This peak is important. Otherwise, it will not look like a leaf. Like here, I'll do it again. I am just pressing my brush and putting it into a slant position. I am pressing my brush and I am releasing like this to create the peak. You feel like you can join like this. Is it okay, Supriya ma'am? I hope you've understood. Thank you, Sunita ma'am. For the background effect, what I am doing is I am taking yellow color, I am taking teal blue, I am taking orange, I am taking green. Should I take a big sheet? I am opening all my colors. I'll take a tone of deep brill also. I'm dipping my brush into water. Just doing like this, not cleaning the complete brush. And I should take a big brush. I'm dipping my brush into water, and what I'm doing is I'm putting water into the complete sheet. As the water is clear, you will not be able to see it right now. But once I'll apply the color, then the effect will be visible. I've done with half in this portion. I've done with the water effect. I've taken some yellow in my brush and I'm putting dots like this. merging it with water. Taking some deep blue color. This is called the water effect. As we'll take more of water and less of color. I'm taking water again and spreading the color with water. Now I'm giving a wet brush, wet effect to the brush, to the paper again. Now I'm dipping my brush into a tinge of orange, and again I'm applying it. You are able to see how the color is spreading on its own. But merging is necessary. We need to merge it. I'm washing off my brush and I'm giving some green effect here. As the paper contains water, the color will spread on its own. We'll be needing a lot of water to do this technique. I hope you are liking this technique. Guys, give some thumbs up, some hearts, so that I also feel good while doing. Again I am giving a water coat to the paper. Now I am using tea blue color. And with tea blue I am giving a darker tone of blue. In the sides. This blue is quite dominant, so what I need to do is I have to Thank you, Mansi ma'am. These hearts and these love really motivate me to do more. Otherwise, my article is complete, but I don't know. I'm always eager to do more. As this blue color is on a darker side, I'm taking more of tea blue color to merge with this color. And I'm merging it. Then I'm giving again, the portion is left, I'm giving a wet water effect here. And I'm using some which is this color? Lemon yellow color to create this beautiful, beautiful effect. The merging part is very important. Any color should not look as if it is just pouring out of the picture. We should give a proper merging to every color. And if you are not able to merge it properly, what you can do is, it is a very simple trick. Take some white in your brush and just put it where you want to merge the color. It will automatically blend. Now this base can be created for this flower. This flower can be done on this base if you want. But मैं इसके ऊपर कल एक और फ्लावर का पैटर्न सिखाऊंगी जो इस बेस के ऊपर बताऊंगी मैं आपको, क्योंकि अभी अगर मैंने स्टार्ट किया वो फ्लावर तो वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाएगा. तो we'll do our next article. Ma'am, we still have 5 minutes. I'll tell you now. Just wait a minute, ma'am. I'll just close my colors. You're not able to know, see how I draw the flower leaves. Just give me 2 minutes. We are still left with time, so we can create the leaves now. I hope everyone has understood how I created this. For creating the leaves, you can take any kind of flat brush. As my paper was small, so I have taken this flat brush. This is 3 number. And if you are doing a big article, then you can take a bigger flat brush. I hope you are able to see the flat brush. Now what I have done is, I just tell you how to create the leaves. Again, this is a rough sheet. This is a simple line. This is just rough. This is a simple line. Just see properly. I put my brush like this in a slant position. Like this. Then I'm dragging it. I'm putting it like this in a vertical position. I'm twisting it and I'm creating this peak. अब क्योंकि इसका बताने में ठीक नहीं आया तो I can overlap it like this. This is how we can create leaves. Don't take a lot of color in your brush. Just see what is required in your brush. Don't overload your brushes with colors, because colors will definitely spoil your brushes. Again, I'm pressing my brush. I'm extending it. Now I'm just twisting it to make the peak. Now are you able to do it, Supriya ma'am? And if you want, you can join it from here. I'm pressing my brush like this, I'm extending it, then I am twisting it. My brush has become dry. And the beauty of acrylic colors is we can do as many times over these colors as we can. If we are not getting satisfied, if we are not getting ourselves satisfied, we can redo our work with the acrylic colors. This side we are doing the same thing. I'm putting my brush on the paper, I'm extending it, and then I am twisting my brush to create the peak, and I'm joining it from here to create the leaf pattern. Has everyone understood how I created leaves? We are done with today's workshop. Today was the second day of our mega workshop. Tomorrow is the third day. Tomorrow we will be doing roses. And if time will be left from roses, I will share one article on this sheet. And today roses I will do on fabric, so that you guys are able to do how to work on fabric also. I really hope that you guys liked today's workshop. Thank you for joining in. And please, attendance should be high tomorrow, otherwise I will not save the video. Thank you for joining in. Bye bye everyone. We'll meet tomorrow.